Hello student, Veena Dikshit here. Please subscribe my channel. Share with your friends. All the best. Distinguish between acetic acid and acrylic acid. Acetic acid is CH3COH. Here we will see how this and acrylic acid is CH2 double bond CHCOH. This is prop-2-enoic acid. And we will see that here is double bond present, here no double bond is present, and other tests both of COH group will be given by acetic acid as well as acrylic acid. So only test of unsaturation will be more fruitful to distinguish between acetic acid and acrylic acid. Bromine water test, potassium permanganate solution test. We will see that bromine water test, the acetic acid, since it is saturated acid, it will not give any test, no decolorization of bromine water. But Br2 water decolorizes by acrylic acid and it will form this 2,3 dibromo propanoic acid. Now it is having 2,3 dibromo propanoic acid. So it is colorless. Okay, so bromine water is decolorizes here. Now acrylic acid decolorizes potassium permanganate solution and syn hydroxylation takes place. See here, this OH will be coming over here and here at syn position, same side. So an MnO2 and H2 is obtained. So 2,3 dihydroxypropanoic acid is obtained. So test of unsaturation pass, means both unsaturation test they are giving it. This is KMnO4 test as well as bromine water test. Okay, bromine is slightly brown, yellowish brown solution and it will decolorize. KMnO4, you know the color of KMnO4. Darker will be there, then it will be purple, but otherwise it will be pink. Lighter it will be pink, but it will decolorize when react with acrylic acid and form KMnO4 converted into MnO2 and H2. Remember, here hydroxylation takes place, syn hydroxylation takes place. And why this test is possible? Because double bond or triple bond, if present in the compound, they will give this test of unsaturation. These two, bromine water test and KMnO4 test, is known as test of unsaturation. So here acrylic acid is alpha beta as unsaturated acid, so it will give positive test of unsaturation. That is why both bromine water decolorize as well as KMnO4 decolorize when react with acrylic acid. Clear to you? Very easy. Here dibromo propanoic acid is obtained. Here propanoic acid 2,3 dihydroxypropanoic acid is obtained. Clear? And in